Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Jabra Elite 10 so pairing succeeds quickly. Plug the USB-C cable and charge until the LED indicates ready. This prevents early disconnects. Once done, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to power on and hear the welcome prompt. This confirms firmware boot. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it within about 1.5 meters. Doing these steps now reduces interference and speeds up the pairing that follows. You now pair and optimize fit to get the best sound and mic performance. In Bluetooth settings, tap Jabra Elite 10 when it appears. Accept any pairing requests. Once paired, insert the earbuds and rotate gently to form a tight seal. This improves bass and noise isolation, which matters for call clarity. Make sure to install the Jabra Sound Plus app so you can update firmware and customize equalizer and call settings. This keeps features working correctly and adapts sound to your ears. You finish by learning daily use, charging, and a key fix. Use the touch gestures for playback and calls. A long press summons your voice assistant. This saves time versus navigating menus. When done, return earbuds to the case to charge. The case provides extra cycles so you can top up on the go. If you experience connection drops, reboot the earbuds and, if needed, forget the device in Bluetooth and repair. This clears cached profiles and usually resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.